3 minus 3 parenthesis 5 minus 5. What will be the answer? Tell me in comments. So 3 minus 3 equals to 0 times 5 minus 5 equals to 0 and 0 times 0. We will get our answer 0, but remember that 0 is wrong. Why 0 is wrong? Because in this case we didn't obey any order of operation which is compulsory to solve these type of questions, so we will again solve it by using an order of operation which is known as PEMDAS. Remember that we have three order of operations: PEMDAS, board mass or DMAS, but I have to prefer PEMDAS. So what is PEMDAS? Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. According to this order of operation we will achieve our correct answer. So according to this order of operation, we will solve parentheses first. So 3 minus 3 times 5 minus 5, we will get 0. In previous case, we will solve subtraction, but we have to solve multiplication first, because according to this order of operation, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So we will solve multiplication first. So 3 minus 3 times 3, we will get 0, and 3 minus 0, we will get our answer 3, which is our correct answer for this tricky mathematical question. Thanks for your support and subscribe my